Performance LBX delivers a unique driving experience. It aims to provide a smooth and linear response that accurately reflects the driver's intentions. The car is designed to seamlessly switch between acceleration, steering, and deceleration in various road conditions. The LBX is based on a new platform designed specifically for compact vehicles, which enhances its dynamic performance and provides a sense of confidence and control. This lightweight and highly rigid design focuses on stability, handling, and low center of gravity, allowing the LBX to bring out its fun-to-drive characteristics. The 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine used in the LBX is lightweight and compact with excellent thermal efficiency. The variable cooling system allows for quicker engine warm-up and reduced friction losses, leading to improved fuel efficiency and effective air conditioning. The LBX is equipped with a new, fully self-charging hybrid electric powertrain, which is highly efficient and designed for responsive acceleration. Hybrid control system. The hybrid system control provides rewards for performance by delivering a quick response at the beginning. This results in a pleasant synchronization between the driver's acceleration and the engine's noise, without a sense of momentum loss. Design. Designed to suit a variety of lifestyles and personalities, the Lexus LBX has an appealing appearance that leaves a lasting impression. Choose from a range of vivid exterior colors with a contrasting black roof. With a range of luxury and sporty luxury grades, the Lexus LBX encourages boldness and confidence, embracing your unique style. With a modern and fresh design, the seamless but frameless spindle grille seamlessly blends into the body of the LBX without any gaps. It is also aerodynamically efficient and has a dynamic silhouette due to its unified spindle structure. The exterior lighting of the Lexus has been redesigned to create a distinctive look. The headlamps emphasize this style, and the adaptive high beam system provides excellent light distribution. Additionally, Omotenashi illumination improves the clearance lights when the doors are locked. The rear of the LBX is just as striking as its front, with a compact cabin that boasts a powerful design that maintains a low center of gravity and offers stable handling. The license plate has been moved to make room for bold Lexus branding, and the signature L-shaped lighting bar draws attention to itself. The newly developed satin stitch with glossy threads creates a three-dimensional effect. The quilting stitches on genuine leather add playful touches to the interior, creating a refined and modern look together. The hood of this vehicle was designed with a lower front end and fewer grille openings to help stabilize the airflow and improve handling stability. This is achieved by minimizing the gap between the door surface and the beltline molding on the sides of the vehicle. Technology. Inside the LBX, human-centered controls are carefully placed as extensions of your hands, providing connectivity and comfort controls at your fingertips. The 9.8-inch multimedia display offers a glimpse into the future of automotive technology, while the heated steering wheel and head-up display provide a level of comfort and convenience that is unmatched in the industry. Lexus Connected Services also offers a range of services that enhance the driving experience. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay allow seamless integration between your smartphone and the vehicle, ensuring a seamless and convenient driving experience. The LBX uses the Tazuna concept, which means the controls and info are right next to the driver. That way, the driver can focus on driving and doesn't have to move their hands and eyes much. As a result, they feel in control and enjoy the experience. The inside of the car is spacious and open, with a dashboard that blends right into the doors for great visibility. Safety. Lexus does not compromise on safety. The Lexus Safety System Plus, which is part of the LBX, provides a wide range of safety features to help you drive safely and give you peace of mind. Available on the sports luxury model, the Lexus Teammate Advanced Park is designed to support parking by using the on-screen display, voice instruction, and a buzzer to assist the driver in perpendicular parking and parallel parking into the target position, as confirmed on the touchscreen. The Blind Spot Monitor, BSM, is designed to help drivers detect and avoid vehicles approaching, bomb their blind spots in adjacent lanes. This feature encourages drivers to change lanes with confidence, avoiding damage or collisions. When the vehicle is parked, the BSM also detects bicycles and other vehicles approaching from behind, helping to prevent damage or collision. If a potential risk is detected, the system notifies the driver and passengers, allowing them to open their doors safely. The Lane Trace Assist (LTA) system monitors visible lane markings and the path of the preceding vehicle. It provides steering assistance, supporting the driver in maintaining the vehicle's center position in the lane. This feature is designed to reduce stress for drivers and enhance convenience, particularly in traffic and highways with gradual curves. It can be used on all models and grades of vehicles. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate your support and hope that you will continue to watch our content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share them with your friends. Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section. These actions are very important for the growth of our channel and will help us create even more interesting and informative content about modern cars.